Engaki ya mabuli agendete kuburirwa igoro y'emebere y'abantu kurase kaunti ya Nyamira kurende batindikitwa se kaunti ya Kericho. Omonene w'ikiumbe gia DCI AMIN Mohamed nigaenekeire buna emebere y'abantu 33 n'ebimo bitano nekemo nigo byatindokoirwe na igo gotuguterare omobaro oyenanetwe abulitang'ani w'emebere y'abantu 13. AMIN Mohamed nigatebire abantu batano noyomo abo bakagire kubwateranirwa n'ebikore ebyo nigo babikirwe byara asimaiga yobotuki batatu nigo babire bakubwa
The exhumation exercise conducted on March 24, 2026, pursuant to court orders and under the direct supervision of the Office of the Chief Government Pathologist, represented by Dr. Richard Njoroge and Dr. Donna Nyamunga, together with my DCI forensic team, yielded 33 bodies instead of the 13, which comprised of 8 adults and 25 fetuses, plus 6 additional body parts. And these body parts were conclusively identified as amputation specimens, including fragmented tibias, tarsals, and cables. This represents, ladies and gentlemen, a significant and highly suspicious and unauthorized disposal of additional human remains, and thereby raising strong concerns about concealment, concerns about irregularities in mortuary management, and possible criminal conduct in the handling and disposal of the dead bodies. Autopsy exercise commenced on March 26, 2026 at Kericho County Referral Hospital Mortuary revealed that for the 26 fetuses, the causes of death included, and this is very important, prematurity, birth asphyxia, and several cases whose cause of death could not be established by the pathologists due to decomposition of the bodies over time. And for the 8 adults, 2 cases remain unascertained due to advanced decomposition. Trauma-related causes include 1 case of head injury due to blunt force trauma and 1 case of pulmonary thrombolism, secondary to head injury caused by blunt force trauma. So far, we have arrested a total of 6 suspects. But after interrogation and interviews, we released 3 who are still, again, under active investigations, but the remaining 3 are in custody pursuant to court orders. And their names are as follows: Jason Machora Nyarbi, who is the mortuary officer in charge. He's the mortician, the chief mortician in Nyamira Teaching and Referral Hospital. We have David Araka Makori, is the public health officer, and Richard Towet alias Ezekiel, who is the cemetery caretaker. The court proceedings are ongoing, and the matter is slated for formation on 23rd of April 2026.